Hello everyone. In these sessions today we will learn about the how to be more productive while preparing for the NEET exam. NEET exam is approaching very closer with every passing day. It's time to prepare and get ready for the NEET exams, and for that you should know how to utilize the remaining time in the most efficient way. All NEET aspirants have the same amount of times. It is the right planning along with the right executions that makes a big difference. You have to follow 5 rules to crack NEET exam. First one is make a study plan. Abraham Lincoln once said that give me a 6 hours to chop down the tree and I will spend the first hour sharpening the axe. It simply means preparation is the key to success. If you are preparing for the NEET exams, then first 4 weeks you need to go through the syllabus and understand the pattern by the analyzing previous year's papers. It will give you a clear idea about what to study and what not to study and which chapters are more important in terms of weightage. You need to make a proper study planner before starting your preparations. Analyze your strength and weakness in the subject and make you plan according to where you need to put more efforts. Second one is a time management. We all know that time is wait for none. Time management is a process of organizing and planning how to divide your time between specific activities. Many aspirants fail to make a proper use of time. Your success depends on managing the time efficiently. After making your study planner, make to-do list and strictly follow them. Plan short intervals in your study time. Try to study 1 hour, then take a 5 minutes break. Similarly, after every 3 hours, take a 15 to 20 minutes break. It will keep your mind fresh and focused. Also, make sure that you got enough sleep. Most of the people need between 7 to 8 hours sleep every night to remain focused and alert during study periods. Third one is make your own notes. It is very important to have a clear concept of the subject to crack NEET exam or any other exams. Identify the key elements. Identify the key elements in every topic. Summarize it in your own notes. Make flowcharts of different processes. It is important that you develop a note-taking methods that suits your learning styles and work best for you. Some choose to use colored stickers, pens or highlighters to identify the important key concepts, terms and definitions. You can also use short forms and symbols, abbreviations when writing notes. What is important that your notes make sense to you and you understand your own note style note of making. It will be a very useful and easy to revise these notes before the final exams. Fourth one is a practice mock test papers. One of the greatest challenge of NEET examination is the time limitations. You have to answer 180 out of 200 questions in only 3 hours. It means you can spend maximum of 1 minute per questions. So try to solve as many mock test papers as you can do in a set of time. It is very important to analyze your mistakes immediately after giving a test. So these mock test papers will help you to know your weakness, where you have to work, improve your performance. Fifth one is build a positive attitudes. Your positive actions combined with positive thinking results in success. Your attitude decides the effectiveness and productive of your learning styles. Studying smart is all about reducing stress and producing optimal results. When we feel good within, our performance also goes up. Besides this, maintain a healthy lifestyles and take a balanced diet to be more productive. A healthy mind leaves a healthy body. Physical health is purified your mental health. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest videos. Thank you. Jai Hind.